Okay, here's a video of my Boston Whaler 305 Conquest. It's a 2006 model. It's got about 400 feet of 5/8 rope, 20 plus feet of chain, nice electric windlass. There's a pad to sit on the front. It's got dual go lights. Only got one of them on it right now. One portable, one's mounted permanent. Got a pretty nice 4 kilowatt open array radar. You've got the factory downriggers. Nice chrome. It's not too chalky. Old 305 gallon of fuel. It's got a diesel generator below deck. You got a live well in there. Bait prep station over here. There's your batteries. You've got 2 fish boxes too, one on each side. Both of them have macerators. It holds 15 gallon of diesel, 305 gallon of gas. Got a nice swim ladder that's put up. Got a shower back here. Holds 60 gallon of water. The Verados and the generator were changed in 2012. Got some LED spreader lights. Had the bolsters done in 2012. Haven't done the rest of the upholstery. We have 623 hours on the motors. It's got AutoPilot. It's an original E80 Raymarine system from 2006. So, you know, suffice to say, it's probably due for an upgrade. We replaced it's got air conditioning. Replaced the fridge a couple years ago. It decided to die. Got a nice, lot of storage in here. Got a lot of junk in here too. I upgraded the radio to a Fusion. It takes any kind of iPod inside of it here. I'm not gonna open it, it's got my iPod in it. You got a convection microwave. You got electric cooktop here. There's a berth back here that sleeps 2. I've got the mattress upstairs in the house. Don't like it getting moldy, mildewy. Got a nice teak in here. Table makes into a bed. You just push it down. Nice head. Got some storage underneath. It's a shower. Vacuum flush toilet. I think it's got a 12 gallon holding tank. Nice stereo system in here. The panels are real nice. Boston Whalers noted for their attention to detail on the panels. Got a 12 volt and 110 volt panel. There's a generator panel. It's got remote start and everything. Everything's in the upholstery in here's like new. Cabinetry's decent. Nothing wrong with the cabinetry. Everything in this boat works. It's all been well maintained. There's the certification from Whaler. Has a maximum outboard weight of 1,400 pounds. I think it also said 600 horsepower somewhere. I don't really recall where, but Whaler built these with 225s and 250s when they first came out, and in 2012 I changed it to 300 horses. She performs well on paper. 50 miles an hour burning, 60 gallon an hour. I never quite got it to 50, but I've got a heavy boat with a lot of gear in it. Always pretty full of fuel, fishing down here in the Keys. Well, it's got a 30 amp shore power cord, rod holders everywhere. I added a couple extra ones. That pretty well sums it up. It's lived on this lift for a long time. and it does have a trailer right there that could go with it. Triple axle, 40-foot, next trail, 15,000 pound trailer. Any questions? Give me a call or text me, message me. There she is. That's the beast.